Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I'm going to be going over the Disney stock and why it's going to blow up very soon. So make sure to watch until the very end of this video. In this video, I'm going to be covering why Disney stock prices will get extremely high. Before we get started, please go ahead and subscribe with the notification bell if you guys haven't already. Go ahead and leave a like. And if you guys haven't seen my previous videos, they're going to be in the description down below. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Okay, so this is some technical analysis that you guys should watch for. As you guys can see right here, Disney is currently at $188.24. Just about 30 minutes ago, it was at 186.92. So that would have been an awesome trade if you guys had gotten in at that time. You guys would have went up by about $2 and you would have made a pretty good profit there. But right off the bat, I just want to mention one thing. If you guys can see the RSI in the bottom here, it's those blue lines at the bottom. For those of you guys who are new to this, once your RSI is at and by the way, this is not financial advice, it just works for me. But when your RSI is around like 30 or like a little bit less than 30 or a little bit more, that's like the best time to like buy, and then it's gonna pretty much go up from there. And then once it's at like 70 RSI or close to 70, around the 60s or 80s or 70s, that's pretty much the time when you're supposed to like sell, because it's about to drop very, very soon. But yeah, that's pretty much what I use like when I'm about to like, you know, buy into the stock or like sell it. So Disney's parks are set to reopen very, very soon. They're starting to reopen a lot of their, parks. Disney Plus is starting to gain some traction because of that. It's being mentioned a lot. There's a lot of advertisements talking about how Disney World's going to be opening again, Disneyland. So they're going to be getting a lot of investors from that, and it's pretty much going to cause the stock to go higher very soon when they do open up their parks. Also, you guys can see right here, there's been a lot of resistance for the past like few days. You guys can see like it's been pretty much struggling to break out. It's been stuck at around 189, and then it had a huge dip today, which it went down to 186, and then it went back up once again, and it's having a lot of resistance. Once again, it's trying to get back up. Once it passes this mark, 191, once it passes 191, that's pretty much a sign that it's going to go through the roof. So you guys want to be watching Disney very, very closely, because so you guys can see there was a lot of shorting interest around this point right here. Let me go to the 5-day mark. So yeah, you guys can see there was a lot of shorting interest around this point right here, and a lot of people were looking to short sell, but then eventually the stock went up pretty significantly. It went from about $1.83, and then it climbed all the way up to about $1.90, and it's pretty much been climbing from there on. You guys can see, let's go all the way back to the 5-day let's go all the way back to 5 days ago on February 3rd. You guys can see it's currently sitting at about 178, and then it ends up climbing after just 5 days all the way up to 191. The high was 191, and now it's currently back up at around 188, and it's trying to get past that 191 mark. So yeah, this stock is definitely projected to go up very soon, and there's many reasons for that. I don't think there's going to be any new shorts coming in, but there are actually some shorts that are still active. So if you guys do get in on a long trade and you guys end up going up, if you use the RSI trick that I just mentioned, it's not financial advice, but hint, like if you guys use that RSI trick, you guys might actually end up getting good returns. But it's not the only thing that you guys should be pretty much paying attention to. But yeah, there is some shorts that are still out there. You guys can potentially make a lot of money off it if Disney actually ends up going up by a lot. But definitely keep Disney on your watch list. Let me know down below what stocks you guys want me to cover next. And that's going to be it for today's video. Please go ahead and subscribe with the notification bell on if you guys haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time.